So, good evening all, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel, still joining. Okay. So, in the last class actually we have discussed errors and approximates. So, I think up to 14 problems. So, today we shall conclude this session and tomorrow we shall move to the next chapter. Okay. So, welcome to all once again. Right, Sandeep Neta, Tabsum, Prasanna, Dinakar, Parvalika Reddy, Lavanya, Abhishek, right. JSR, Sai Kiran, okay, Varan. Okay. Completed 15 problems. Okay, I will check. No. Okay. Right. Now, let us move to the directly now the question. So, later 5 minutes so now so question number is 16. Okay. If there is an error an error 0.01 centimeter in the measurement of the radius 10 centimeters, radius 10 centimeters of a cylinder of fixed height 20 centimeters, then error in volume in cubic centimeter, in cc we need to find out. Good evening all. So, first option is 4 pi, second option is 2.5 pi, third option is 0.06, fourth option is 0.6. Tallari Venkateshwarlu, you are not supposed to put those similes, please do not use it. Right. So, this is actually, this channel is meant for only mathematics. Actually, sometimes only we will do some topics of physics, but chemistry we do not have. If there is an error 0.01 centimeter in the measurement of the radius 10 centimeters of a cylinder, fixed height 20 centimeters, error in the volume you need to find out. So, that means actually this is a cylinder this is cylinder, this is height of the cylinder, this radius is changing, this is a base radius r, this height is fixed. Now error in the radius, delta r is equal to 0.01 centimeter, radius r is equal to 10 centimeters, height is equal to 20 centimeters. This is constant. Okay. Next, error in value we need to find out. Delta V is equal to question mark. So, volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h, but actually h is fixed, so that you can substitute 20. So, that is 20 pi r square. Now, differentiate with respect to r. Delta V by delta r equals to, this is 40 pi r. Now, delta V approximately equal to 40 pi r into delta r. We know the r value and delta r value. So, let it be substituted. 40 pi multiplied by r is 10 into 0.01. So, approximately equal to 10 into 0.1 is 0.1 into 40 is 4, that is 4 pi cubic centimeter. So, that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, Dishwank. Who is Mr. Charan? Talari Venkateshwarlu. Okay. Let us move to the 17th question. 17th question. The radius and height of a cylinder are measured as 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. And there is an error of 0.02 centimeter in both the measurements. The percentage error in volume is, that means in volume of a cylinder. First option 1, second option 0.01, third option is 0.001, fourth option -1. This is the question. Okay, first read the question. It's very important. First Gopasri, Sri Harisha. Okay. Radius and height of a cylinder are 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters respectively. Error in height also 0.02 centimeters, error in radius also 0.02 centimeters. Then percentage error in the value we need to find out. So, what is given means actually here radius of the cylinder r is equal to 5 centimeters, height of the cylinder h is equal to 10 centimeters, delta r equal to delta h equal to 0.02 centimeters are given, and we need to find out first volume of the cylinder 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here see, you remember this 1 by 3 pi is constant, that is why I apply the shortcut formula. I will tell you delta v by v into 100 is equal to, you can write what is the dimension of r? 2. 2 times delta r by r into 100. Now plus we need to write. So h dimension is 1, that is why delta h by h into 100. So we need to substitute the values. 2 into delta r is equal to 0.02 by r is equal to 5 into 100 plus delta h also 0.02 by h is equal to 10 into 100. So we need to simplify this one. So this equals to 100 into 0.02 is 2, 2 into 2 or actually 520 ja, that means you can write 40 into 0.02 plus you can write 0.02 into 10. So now this will be 80 plus this will be 20. Put the points, 2 points. Here 0.2, here also 0.2. 0.8 plus 0.2, that will be 1. So 1%. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, now eighteenth question. The radius of a closed cylinder is half of its height. The relationship between radius and height of a cylinder has been given. If an error of 0.5% is made in measuring the radius. The percentage error in its surface area Bhargavi, you are new to my class. Madhasu Bhargavi. Actually, so far I didn't see yours, but you might be changed your ID, I don't know. So, first option 1, second option 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. It is not a paid channel. Let me explain once again. Panitej, is your name Venkat Sharma sir? No, no, my name is not Venkat Sharma. Here one of the CEO is Venkat. Okay. Right. The radius of a closed cylinder is half of its height. If an error of 0.5% is made in measuring its radius, then percentage error in its surface area we need to find out. This problem is related to cylinder. So, first let us write the given condition. So, radius of a closed cylinder is half of its radius, half of its height, sorry, r is equal to h by 2. So, that implies h is equal to 2 times radius, 2r, and delta r by r into 100 given, that is equal to 0.5. Now, the surface area of a cylinder S is equal to 2 pi r h, but here we have two variables. That means we need to change into one variable, put h is equal to 2r. This is 2 pi r into 2r. This becomes 4 pi r square. So, now here 4 pi is constant. 4 pi is constant means s is proportional to r square. So, now we can write delta s by s into 100 is equal to dimension of r is 2 times delta r by r into 100. Already delta r by r into 100 is given 0.5. So, that is why 2 into 0.5 is 1%. Answer is 1%. So, first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Yes. Nineteenth question. The radius and height of a cylinder the radius and height of a cylinder are measured as 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Respectively. And there is an error of 0.02 centimeters in the both the measurements. the relative error in volume is, the question is very lengthy, but answer is very simple. The radius and height of a cylinder are measured as 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively, and there is an error of 0.0 centimeters in both the measurements. Then relative error in volume we need to find out. Okay, first yes, this question was completed, already completed, right? Correct, right. There actually percentage error asked, actually here relative error. So let us solve it now. Options are not required. Let us see solution. Let us do. Radius given r is equal to 5 centimeters and height is equal to 10 centimeters. Delta r is equal to delta h is equal to how much given? 0.02 centimeters. Then volume of the cylinder, V is equal to pi r square h. This is constant. Now see, delta V by V, this is relative error. If you multiply with 100, you get the percentage error. That is equal to dimension of r is 2 times delta r by r plus dimension of h is 1, just write down delta h by h. This equal to 2 into delta r is 0.02 by radius r 5 plus here delta h is 0.02 by we have h 10. So that means actually 0.02 common, we have 2 by 5 is 0.4 plus this will be 1 by 10, 0.1, 0.02 into 0.5. This is equal to 5 into 2, you get 10. How many points? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 0.01. 0.01 is the answer. Yes. So 20, the semi vertical angle of a cone, is 45 degrees. The height of the cone is 20.025 centimeter. The approximate lateral surface area of a cone is, this is the question. Okay. first option 401 pi root 2 centimeter square, second option 60 pi centimeter square, third option 3.6 pi centimeter square, fourth option 904 pi centimeter square. This is the question. Okay. Right. The semi-vertical angle of a cone is 45 degrees. Height of the cone is 20.025 centimeters. Then the approximate lateral surface area of a cone you need to find out. So, this problem is related to the cone. This is a cone. This is height. This is the base radius h. This is r. This is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. This will be slant height h. So, whenever angle is 45 degrees, h and r are equal. Okay. So, here solution, take height h is equal to here 20 centimeters, you take error delta h is equal to 0.025 centimeter, because exact you take it that 20 centimeters. Now, here relation is tan 45 you find in this figure, right angle triangle, tan 45 is equal to r by h, tan 45 is 1, here r is equal to h. Now, we need to find out L. L is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So, we have L square is equal to r square plus h square. So, now in the place of r you can write h square plus h square. This will be 2h square. So, now L is equal to root 2 times h. This is the relation. So, now what we need to find out? Approximate lateral surface area. So, first you see V is equal to pi r L. Now, L is equal to root 2 times h. You substitute here. Okay. So, that means actually in the place of r h, in the place of L, root 2 h, pi h into root 2 h. This will be root 2 pi h square. So, first find delta V. Delta V approximately equal to 2 root 2 pi h into delta h. 2 root 2 pi h is 20 into delta h. Delta h is equal to 0.025. That means actually root 2 pi into 2 into 2 4, 4 into 25 100, already one more 0 is there. How many points actually we have? 3 points, 1 2 3, 0.1. So, that means actually we have, this will be 0.25 into 2 into 4. Okay, let us check it now. 0.25 into 25 into 40, 0 100. Okay, actually we have 1 minute, I will do it simplification. To 40 into this one, here 1000 you need to write. How many points? 3 points, 1. This will be equals to root 2 pi. We know the delta V. Now actually approximate value of surface area you need to find out. So that we can find out. So say here V dash is equal to V plus delta V, find out. Approximately equal to V means pi RL, pi into R value is equal to 20, L value is root 2 into H, root 2 into 20 plus root 2 pi, because actually you see delta V is equal to root 2 pi. This approximately equal to 20 into 20, 400 root 2 pi plus root 2 pi, approximately equal to 401 root 2 pi. This is the answer. 401 root 2 pi means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. So 21st question. If errors of 1% each are made in the base radius and height of a cone, the percentage error in its volume is first option 1, second option 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. Okay. So now if errors of 1% each are made in radius and height of a cone, then percentage error in the volume you need to find out. So that means delta R by R into 100 equal to delta H by H into 100 equal to 1. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now this 1 by 3 pi is constant, keep like this. So now percentage error in the volume, delta V by V into 100 is equal to, what is the dimension of R? 2. So 2 times its percentage error in the radius, plus multiplication means you need to write plus. Next H dimension is 1, that we can write delta H by H into 100. Here very interesting, delta R by R into 100, delta H by H into 100 is equal to 1% given. 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3%. So that means third option is the right option. Chintu. Okay. Next problem. So 22nd question. 22nd question. The radius and height, the radius and height of a cone are measured as 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively. And there is an error of 0.06 centimeters in both the measurements. The approximate error in volume. This is the question. So first option 410 pi root 2 cc, second option 60 pi cc, third option 3.6 pi cc, fourth option 320 pi root 2 cubic centimeters. Cc means cubic centimeters. So this problem is related to the actually cone problem. What is given actually here? Radius r is equal to 6 centimeters, radius, height is equal to 12 centimeters, h is equal to 12 centimeters, and error in both measurements are given, each are equal to delta r equal to delta h equal to 0.06 centimeters, and we need to find out approximate error in volume. We need to find out. So that means actually here see, V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So differentiate with respect to r h, two variables because. So that means dV by dr equals to 1 by 3 pi constant r square h means UV model, r square into h differentiation with respect to r, dh by dr plus h into r square differentiation to r. So multiply with, here actually remember this dr dh dv approximately equal to delta r, approximately equal to delta h, approximately equal to delta v. So now we can write delta v, dv means approximately equal to pi by 3 into, we can write this is r square into, this will be delta h because delta r gets cancelled, 2 hr into delta r. substitute respective values, delta r, delta h, r value, h value here, you get delta v. So, pi by 3 you can take r common, we have r delta h plus 2h delta r approximately equal to r is how much? 6, 2 pi, this will be r is how much? 6, delta h is 0.06 plus 2h is how much? 12 into 0.06 approximately equal to 0.06 common, 0.12 pi into 18. So, now okay, I will do it. Substitution I am getting lot of trouble here. So, now let us check it now. Here let us substitute here now. Right, pi by 3 into r 6 into 0.06 plus 2h, h is 12, 24 into 0.06, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So, let us calculate now. Approximately equal to 0.06 common, that will be 0.12 pi multiplied by 30. So, approximately equal to 360 pi. How many points? 2 points. So, approximately equal to 3.6 pi. So, third option is the right option. Suma, unless we differentiate it, we cannot find out. Understood now? But actually we apply the differentiation only, but here we called indirectly we are finding differentials, that's all. So, I have differentiated because it would have been percentage error, relative error, directly we can write it, shortcut is there, but here we do not have any shortcut. (23) if there is an error of 1% is made in the side of a cube, then the percentage error in its volume is that means volume of a cube. Okay. let x be the side of a cube. Okay. So, now let x be the side of a cube, delta x by x into 100 is given, that is 1%, then percentage error in the volume, volume means x cube, that we need to find out now. Delta v by v into 100 we need to find out. First option here 1, second option we have 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 1 by 2. Okay, don't worry, some of the members actually might have done after reading the problem only they are able to give the answers, but actually that depends upon the practice. So, don't worry, even if you practice also everybody will become proficient. Okay, right. Let x be the side of a cube, and what is given? Delta x by x into 100 given, percentage error in the side is given 1%. Now, volume is delta v by v into 100 is equal to question mark. Volume of the cube is equal to side cube, v is equal to x cube. What is the dimension in x3? So, delta v by v into 100 is equal to 3 times delta x by x into 100. So, this value is equal to 1 given. So, 3 into 1, absolutely answer is 3%. So, that means third option is the right option. Yes. Suma, you are in the track now. Okay. Successful. So, that is actually mathematics is nothing but practice makes man's perfect, that is only. Twenty-fourth, if A, B, C are the sides of triangle ABC, inscribed in a circle, that means in a circumcircle, then delta A by cos A plus delta B by cos B plus delta C by cos C equals to. Asha Bellam, you are new, first you need to subscribe. Sandeep Neta, you need to wait actually. See, I know my methodology might have not actually expected. I go in systematical manner itself only. Generally, I do not leave the, generally I cover all the models you might be seeing. Only some 10 problems or 6 problems and 5 problems or like that I will not complete. Generally, I try to complete most of the problems in the chapter, because that is very, very important. You need to understand. First option is 0, second option is 1, third option is pi, fourth option is 2 pi. Small a, small b, small c are the sides of triangle ABC. Inscribed in a circle means we have circumradius 2r. Okay, that means applying sine rule, a is equal to 2r sin a, b is equal to 2r sin b, c is equal to 2r sin c. So, finding the differentials with respect to capital A, actually delta A equals to 2r sin A is cos A, but A differential is delta capital A. Similarly, delta B equals to 2r constant, that is sin B differentiation cos B, and delta B. Here delta C equals to 2r cos C delta C. So, now add here delta A by cos A, write down delta A by cos A plus delta B by cos B plus delta C by cos C need to be evaluated. That is equal to 2r delta A plus 2r delta B plus 2r delta C. 2r common, we have delta A plus delta B plus delta C, you will get it. So, now interesting factor is that in triangle ABC, capital A plus capital B plus capital C is equal to 180 degrees, pi constant. If you find the differentials both sides, delta A plus delta B plus delta C becomes constant, means 0. So, this is replaced by 0. So, 0, that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Twenty-fifth question. An electric current is measured by a tangent galvanometer. Tangent galvanometer. Tangent galvanometer. The current being proportional to the tangent to the angle of deflection. Because the galvanometer, that meter reading is actually moves. If the deflection is read as 45 degrees and an error of 1% is made in reading it. The percentage error in the current is first option pi, second option pi by 2, third pi by 4, fourth pi by 3. What is the answer? Anybody? So actually read the question. This will be very, very important for even you. If you enter in engineering, electrical engineering or electronics, these questions once again will come. Yes, it's not very lengthy but very simple problem. This problem is related to the electricity problem. That means actually current is measured in ampere. That is actually measured with the help of the tangent galvanometer. Understood now? So nothing but application of the physics. Electric current is measured by a tangent galvanometer. Relation is given. Current is proportional to tangent of the angle of deflection. Deflection is 45 degrees. Error in this theta is 1%. Then percentage error in the current you need to find out. So this problem actually, let me give first clarity. Given data I will write here. Solution. What is the given data? Say current C is proportional to tangent of deflection tan theta. This is given. And next theta is equal to 45 degrees. Radians means pi by 4. Error in theta, percentage error, delta theta by theta into 100 is equal to 1. So delta C by C into 100 is equal to question mark. This we need to calculate with the help of this one. See, when you remember the constant of proportionality, we can write C is equal to K tan theta. Am I correct now? So now we need to find out delta C by C. Apply log on both sides. Apply log. So we get log C equals to log K plus log tan theta. Am I correct now? So now if you differentiate with respect to theta, log C differentiation is 1 by C. This is delta C by delta theta, write down. Log K constant 0. Log tan theta differentiation is 1 by tan theta. Tan theta differentiation is secant square theta. So now the cross multiply. Delta C by C equals to secant square theta by tan theta into delta theta, you will get it now. But we need to find out delta C by C into 100 we need to find out. That is equal to secant square theta tan theta into delta theta by multiplied by 100. See, very interesting here. Delta theta by theta into 100 is equal to 1. Delta theta into 100 is theta. So that means in the place of this we can write theta. But theta is equal to how much given? 45 degrees. Theta is equal to pi by 4 given. Substitute. So, this equals to secant square 45 by tan 45, but theta write down in radians pi by 4, sec 45 is root 2, this will be 2, tan 45 1 into pi by 4. So, pi by 2%, this is the answer. Question is very lengthy, but concept is very simple. Concept is very simple, easily we can solve the problem. Twenty-sixth question. 26th. So, note down the question numbers better in the offline, once again you watch it, you will get idea. The angle C, of triangle ABC is found by measurement to be 47 degrees, and the area is calculated by the formula of AB sin C. In properties of triangle already we have studied of AB sin C. The percentage error in the calculated area due to an error 10 minutes in the measured value of C. Is first option 5 pi by 54 cot 47 degrees, second 5 BC by 1440 cos 63 degrees, third option 5 pi by 36 cot 63, third option pi BC by 1120 cos 42 degrees. This is the question. Okay. So, all of you read the question first of all, no problem. Even we shall extend up to 10 minutes also. Today we shall complete this chapter, because tomorrow fresh new chapters we need to start. Yes, option 1 you think, because 47 is there. That is the actually fourth option. Somebody, sir, number wrong. Where is the number wrong? Question number wrong. Question number wrong. Okay. Secretariat, Sai Madhav Nagar. What do you mean by secretariat? Secretariat, Sai. What do you mean by secretariat? Right. Let us see. The angle C is 47 degrees. Area calculated by half AB sin C delta, for example, or you can say yes also. Percentage error in area you need to find out. Error in C. Error in C is 10 minutes. Okay, let us go to the next page. So, now what is given actually in this problem? Solution. See, C is equal to 47 degrees, delta C is 10 minutes. 10 minutes means you need to change 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to pi by 180 radians. 10 minutes is equal to how much? 10 by 60 into pi by 180. This is very, very important. We need to convert it. So, pi by 1080. So, this means pi by 1080. This is error. Area is given by S is equal to half AB sin C. Apply log. Log S is equal to half log AB, which is constant, plus log sin C. Differentiate with respect to C. 1 by S, delta S by delta C, 0 constant, 1 by sin C. Sin C differentiation is cos C. So, now delta S by S is equal to, you get cot C into delta C. So, now delta C is how much? Pi by 1080 into cot C. C is equal to 47 degrees. Cot 47 degrees. Cot 47 degrees. This is the answer. Okay, right. Question number 27. Okay. The focal length of a mirror is given by 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 2 by F. If equal errors alpha are made in measuring u and v, then relative error in f is, that means delta f by f into f you need to calculate. Okay, you can go, Kapil. Optics, focal length, yes. So, first option is 2 by alpha, second option alpha into 1 by u plus 1 by v, third option is alpha into 1 by u minus 1 by v, fourth option 3 by alpha. This is the question. Okay. So, now the focal length of a mirror is given by the formula here 2 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. Differentiate with respect to v or u, any function you could differentiate. Differentiate, that means indirectly differentials we are finding with respect to v. 2 by f means 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square minus 2 by f square into delta f by delta v equal to 1 by v differentiation minus 1 by v square minus 1 by u differentiation plus 1 by u square, but u differentiation with respect to v, delta u by delta v. Multiply delta v on both sides, minus 2 delta f by f square equals to minus 1 by v square delta v plus 1 by u square delta u delta v into delta v, delta u, but actually what is given here? Equal errors alpha in u and v, that means delta u delta v is equal to delta u delta v is equal to alpha, you can replace. So, that means let us go to the problem now. Here we need delta f by f, multiply with f on both sides. So, now what do you get now here? Multiply both sides with, actually here okay, let us write like this now, no problem. So, 2 delta f by f into 1 by f write down minus equals to, this is alpha, this is alpha, alpha take common. If you take alpha common, you get 1 by u square minus 1 by v square. Multiply with minus sign. If you multiply with minus sign, you get like this, 2 delta f by f into 1 by f. This will be alpha into 1 by v square minus 1 by u square. So, this can be written alpha into 1 by v plus 1 by u into 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is very interesting factor. See, 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 2 by f. So, you can substitute 2 by f in the place of this 2 by f. So, that means delta f by f into 2 by f equal to alpha multiplied by 1 by v plus 1 by u into 2 by f. This 2 by f, 2 by f cancel. Now, delta f by f equals to alpha into 1 by v plus 1 by u. Now you choose the option. Second option is the right option. Question number 28. If PV to the power of 1 by 4 equal to C, adiabatic process, gas loss, then the volume is decreased by 1 by 2%. It's constant. Then percentage error in pressure P you need to find out. First option is 1 by 4, second option is 1 by 8, third option is 1 by 2, fourth option is 1. Okay. Your solution, what is given means delta V by V into 100 equal to minus 1 by 2. Decrease means minus 1 by 2%. Delta P by P into 100 we need to find out. Question mark. What is given here? PV to the power of 1 by 4 equals to C. That means P, actually P dimension is 1. You can write delta P by P into 100. Multiplication means plus, you need to write dimension is 1 by 4 into delta V by V into 100 is equal to, constant will not change, 0 write down. Already this is given minus 1 by 2. Delta P by P into 100 minus 1 by 4 into plus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Delta P by P into 100 is equal to 1 by 8. That means pressure increases. As volume decreases, pressure increases by 1 by 8%. So 29th question. The voltage the voltage capital E of a thermocouple as a function of temperature is given by capital E equals to 6.2 T, temperature T stands for 0.0002 T cube. When T changes, temperature changes from 100 degree to 101 degree. The approximate change, change in E voltage. Jay Pranay, okay, I will explain, I will try after completion of this session. First option is 12, second option is 12.1, third option is 12.12, fourth option is 12.2. So, this one actually you do one thing, differentiate both sides with respect to time, that means find the differential. So, what is given means actually here see, initial temperature is T is 100 degrees temperature, final T dash 101 degree, error delta T is equal to 1 degree, and E is given that 6.2 T plus 0.0002 T cube. So, find the differential delta E by delta T. So, equal to 6.2 T differentiation 1 write down, no problem, 0.0002 T cube is 3T square. Now, in the place of T 100, in the place of delta T 1 substitute. Now, delta E approximately equal to, so now 6.2 into 1 6.2 plus, sorry, this is T 6, sorry 6.2 into 1 6.2 plus 0.0006 into T square. T square means 100 square, 100 square means 100 into 100 write down. So, that we need to find out, into delta T is equal to 1 degree, 1 write down. We need to simplify, approximately equal to 6.2 plus 100 into 100 means how many zeros actually here, 10,000, 10,000 into 6, 6,000 write down, 4 zeros, 60,000. How many points? 4 points here, that means you will be getting 12.2. So, fourth option is the right option. Where are you from, Gopasri? Where are you from, Arinarayana? That is the reciprocative question. Better you go for private chat. Nowadays the online classes are becoming private chat rooms. Yes, X Suma, correct. But no, but what are you doing, Harinarayana? Secretariat Sai, Madhav Nagar. I asked you, where are you from? You are from Secretariat. Which Secretariat? Andhra Pradesh or Telangana? Question number 30. Nobody is intelligent in the world, Harinarayana. What about Sachin Tendulkar? He failed in 10th. Sorry, I don't know. Generally, he might be. He might not have completed even post graduation, but he is a legend. In measuring the vertical that's why only we have one problem in sets. The intelligent boys, the most intelligent boys in the world, the most intelligent girls in the world, that is not a set. Remember, in measuring the vertical angle of the sector of a circle of radius 30 centimeters, an error 1 degree is made. The error in the area of the sector is first option 2.5 pi centimeter square, second 25 pi centimeter square, third one 3 pi centimeter square, fourth one 30 pi centimeter square. This is the problem. Leave it discussion. So, I am giving the relativity. Generally, those are not actually statements are not statements. Mathematically, I am speaking. Okay, now the measuring the vertical angle of the sector of a circle. This is a circle. For example, say A, B, O is the center of the circle, say theta, this is called sector AOB. An error is 1 degree is made, understood now. Radius RR and area of the sector you need to find out. So, what is given here? R is equal to 30 centimeters. Okay. So, next error, delta theta is equal to 1 degree, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. Area of the sector is half r square theta. R is fixed constant, it won't change. So, that means half into r square is how much actually here 900 into theta. This equal to 450 theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Delta A by delta theta equal to 450. Now delta A approximately equal to error in area, approximately equal to 450 into delta theta, approximately equal to 450 into pi by 180. 0 0 gets cancelled. This is 9 2 ja, 9 5 ja. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 pi. So first option is the right option. Okay, thank you one and all. We have completed in errors and approximates also. Errors and approximates also we have completed. So today successfully we have completed the 2 chapters, matrices and determinants and errors and approximates. Okay. Tomorrow, so we shall meet with you new chapters. We are going to start. Right. Thank you one and all. Thank you.